Welcome to Prabhu KV's YouTube channel. I am the CEO Managing Partner of Fibocan LLP. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products, solutions and innovative investment strategies. In each and every video, we'll be discussing what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why it will happen and when it will happen. Which is why again and again I request everyone to subscribe to my video and watch the video till the end, and also encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today, December 15, Wednesday, we'll be discussing about the market performance for this day. Bank Nifty closed flat at 0.3% down, while Nifty fell 0.6% at 17,221, and Bank Nifty closed at 36,789. Overall, there is nothing much to say about Bank Nifty and Nifty. As I had indicated on Monday's video, yesterday I didn't put the video, Monday's video, the Bank Nifty and Nifty are in the middle band because it reversed from the lower band and now it is at the middle band. There is a heavy fighting that is happening between the bulls and bears. We don't know who is going to win. However, at this point in time, it is the bears who are in the upper hand, and hence bulls are not able to take past the middle band. That is why all these dramas and actions are taking place. Banks, Kotak Bank jumped up. It jumped up around 2%, 1867. There is nothing much to state that, excepting that Kotak Bank was below the 200-day and 150-day moving average. Hence, some short covering has lifted it above these levels. However, we have to see whether it is holding above that or it goes below the 200-day moving average like HDFC. On the NBFC's front, everything is weak. Shriram Transport, Manappuram, Muthoot, Chola, everything is weak. Bajaj Twins. We had indicated that Manappuram, M&M Finance are weak. In addition, Bajaj Twins are also turned weak. In fact, they are close to their lower bands. Hence, now we have to see whether they are able to hold or it will break down. However, I feel that it will break down and go below. On the insurance and others, insurance, ICICI General fell 2%, Pru Life 1.7%, HDFC Life today remained flat but it is weak. SBI Life is the only counter, though it fell today, only counter which is looking strong. SBI Card is also weak and in a significant weak trend. On the oil and telecom, we had indicated many times, Bharti, though today Reliance was flat and Bharti fell 0.9%, Bharti is reversing and turning down, while Reliance is down move is restricted from here. On the IT pack, this is one sector that is looking really good. Today it was a mixed pack. Many of the stocks fell today anywhere from 0.8 to 0.1%, excepting LTA, LTTS and Techem, which was flat. Emphasis jumped up by 0.6. There is nothing much to state that, excepting that long-term investors should commit their funds for IT. On the consumer goods front, here again it is a mixed pack. Trent, Nestle, Hindustan Lever, Berger, Asian Paints and ABFRL remained flat, while Pidilite jumped up by 0.7%. Titan fell by 1.4, PVR 2%, ITC 2%, DMart 1.3, Britannia 1%, Bata 2%, Page Industries 1.2 and Colpal 0.7. The same structure remains. What I told, Colpal, Hindustan Lever, Nestle, Nestle looks weak, while the others, Titan and other thing, though it is falling, it is up moving and the long term is intact. On the metals pack, while metals was in a downtrend, it reversed. Now again it is going in sideways. Jindal Steel in particular, now it is above the 200-day moving average. However, it is not able to decisively go past it. We have to wait till it decisively moves above that levels. JSW is also above 200-day moving average, while overall metals pack is sideways. On the automobile pack, it was flat today. Tata Motors, Mothersam, Eicher Motors, Escorts, Ashok Leyland, Bajaj Auto, everything. While TVS Motor went up by 1%, Maruti M&M 1% and Hero also jumped up by 0.7%. Overall, it is sideways with Bajaj Auto and Hero Motors for contra buy, while Tata Motors is the strongest. On the pharma and healthcare, here again Sun Pharma, it jumped up by 2.5%. We had been indicating time to time that it is able to hold that 150-day moving average, hence it is on an up move. While Dr. Reddy's is in a down move. Cipla is also down and Divi's is 1.4% down. Metropolis and Thyrocare remain sideways today. On the others, DLF fell by 1.5%, MCX 1.6%, Jubilant fell by 2%, IEX by 6% today, Polycab by 3.5%, Adani Enterprise and Adani Ports 1.5 and 2.5 respectively, while IRCTC, India Mart, UPL, Ultratech remains sideways. Finally, what do we conclude? Bank Nifty should be in the range of 36,429, which is the 150-day moving average, to 37,227, which is the 100-day moving average for tomorrow. That is for tomorrow closure. However, I feel that the closure should be anywhere between 36,429 to 37,100. Nifty likewise 16,900 or 17,104.40 to 17,291, which is the 100-day moving average. At the higher level, if it goes above, it is 17,424.90, which is the previous week's opening. However, I expect Nifty to be in the range of 17,104.40 to 17,291. Disclaimer as always, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you.